Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set privacy on the Scribd application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and go to the lower bar and click to the last button, the account, at the lower right corner of the screen. And here you can find the privacy option under the notification settings. And here you can allow the Facebook tracking, or you can turn off this function. If you want to enable, if you want to disable, click to the next circle. And if it will be gray, is disabled, and if you want to turn on, just click that again. That's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.